Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys OPPO A92 and Redmi Note 9 Pro camera comparison video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 64 megapixel main lens with 1.9 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide 2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel macro 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth 2.4 aperture. On the other hand, OPPO A92 comes with quad camera setup. 48 megapixel main lens with 1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel depth with 2.2 aperture and 2 megapixel black and white lens with 2.4 aperture. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with single 16 megapixel selfie camera with 2.5 aperture, and on the other hand OPPO A92 also comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera. Both phones you can record highest 4K 30 fps video. So now I am recording both phone 1080 30 fps video. Okay, this is all about OPPO A92 and Redmi Note 9 Pro camera comparison video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.